Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Smart TV and OnePlus 10T. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from smartphone to TV using YouTube app. In the beginning make sure that both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi and then enter YouTube. Now tap this button on the top of the screen and select your TV. Now you can play anything you'd like from your smartphone on the TV. To disconnect cast, press this button again and select disconnect. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.